Bitcoin falling into the abyss. Aevo distributing 3 tokens. CoinMarketCap report reveals insane meme coin growth figures on this network. Find out which one in this video. These and other interesting news from the past day are in today's episode. My name is Kim. Let's go. Meanwhile, the market situation is becoming more pessimistic. Bitcoin's price dropped to the 60,000 mark today and approached the final resistance zone. Most likely, if this zone is breached, Bitcoin will continue to fall for a long time. Additionally, today's outflow amounted to $13 million, marking the first outflow in the last 5 days. Meanwhile, Ethereum is trading at 3,300 and Solana at 140. In this situation, I recommend you follow our daily news to be the first to receive the most useful and up-to-date crypto news. Subscribe to the channel and leave your predictions about Bitcoin's price in the comments. We'll keep you posted. Now let's move on to the most interesting news of the past day. Update on Ethereum ETF. Nate Geraci, president of the ETF store, stated that Bloomberg's forecast remains for mid-July. The updated Form S1 is expected to be submitted by July 8th, and the final Form S1 may be submitted by July 12th, which theoretically means a launch in the week beginning July 15th. The acceptance of the Ethereum ETF is crucial for the crypto community in these challenging times. The approval of the ETF could serve as a strong trigger for the start of a crypto market uptrend. Pump.fun, a Solana-based marketplace which allows users to easily create and distribute their own tokens, most commonly meme coins or tokens, without an intrinsic value proposition beyond their novelty and community value. On July 1st, it collected $1,990,000 in fees, setting a new record and surpassing Ethereum's fee revenue of $1,910,000 on the same day, making it the most profitable protocol and application in the statistics. Aevo announced on their Twitter account that traders participating in the pre-launch and Aevo stakers are eligible to receive Zero and Azure tokens. For more detailed information, I recommend visiting their official Twitter account. In CoinMarketCap's report for the first half of 2024, meme coins were highlighted as the most popular asset class, accounting for 22% of the entire market. According to this report, Solana-based meme coins outperformed their Ethereum-based counterparts by an astonishing 800% since the beginning of the year. Specifically, Solana memes yielded an average return of 8,469% compared to 962% for ETH memes. This surge might have been triggered by the rallies of WIFE and Bonk meme coins, leading to a cycle of increased interest and growth. Those were the most interesting news stories of the day. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything from the world of cryptocurrencies. Share your opinions in the comments and we'll see you tomorrow.